Hi, I'm Shivaathmeka Chandramohan. I'm a graduate of interior design. My final major project is about Tamil Heritage Hub. So I started doing some research on what kind of a problem does this society have, and then I ended up coming to a conclusion of that people are not valuing or taking care of their own heritage, like the buildings and architecture in wise. And so I came up with the conclusion of saving and making a space where people can embrace and people can learn about their own culture. So my culture is a Tamil space. So my center is a Tamil space, and this is going to have a vast of functions. So basically, some of them it's going to be a place where they can learn about Tamil culture for dance, music, and also like instruments. And also there's going to be like beautiful shrine place, and there's going to be like a dining space with those banana leaves where you actually feel how a Tamil culture works, like if, having food from your hand without fork or knife. For my final major project, I chose the site of Ramakrishna Mission, which is allocated in Vellavatta. It is a auditorium actually, so they have all sort of Tamil demography and Tamil target audience, the surrounding. They have colleges, they have Tamil households. So I wanted to get a space where we can get proper demography and proper clients coming in. This is more of a charity-based space, more of a people knowing about the culture. It's not for a business, but it's more of a people learning about and valuing about the culture. The concept of my entire project is movement and rhythm. So the way I came up to the idea was deriving from Bharatanatyam. So the movements and rhythm of Bharatanatyam was a big inspiration, and it also helped me out so much to come up with the idea of patterns and the arches. So my entire project and the exterior has a lot of arches. So it's an arched way which drives through into arches, basically. A lot of repetition, a lot of arches in the space. So the material choices I've used is more of vibrant colors, but the exterior has black charcoal to give an curiosity of why I've done a bold move of a black exterior. And once you enter the space, there are going to be plenty of colors, like really vibrant, and it's going to make people happy. As you enter the space, you can see a wonderful indoor garden, and then once you turn to your right, there's going to be a nice dining space where you can feel and eat from banana leaf and even have your own varieties of buffet. And also they have a pottery space and a shrine room with a meditation space. There's an auditorium on the mezzanine floor, and there's a Siddha space which relates to my final research paper. And there are going to be there's going to be a library which contains all sort of Siddha medical information, and also some information where you cannot get through internet or any outsourced stuff. For my future plans, I want to start my own design company, which is going to be related to kids and art, which is almost going to be like an art therapy space, which also has my own interior space. So I hope the industry welcomes me properly. I'm like really excited. At the same time, I'm really scared. I would like to say that this entire project made me understand my own culture.